Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting your data source and checking permissions. Make sure you have workspace edit rights. Once connected, apply quick transforms, set column types, remove empty rows, and rename key fields so visuals bind correctly. Then load a small sample to validate joins and relationships. This prevents slow iterations later. As you import, create a concise data model with clear keys and reduce columns to essentials. This first pass gives you a stable foundation to build interactive visuals quickly. Once the model is stable, design a star schema layout and set relationships deliberately. This improves DAX accuracy. Create core visuals, bar, line, matrix, and add slicers for common filters so users explore. Use bookmarks and edit interactions to control cross-filtering and storytelling. Next, write measures with DAX for calculations like year-over-year % and rolling averages. Prefer measures over calculated columns when possible. Finally, apply visual level and model level optimization. Publish your report to the Power BI service and configure a refresh schedule. If on-prem sources exist, set up a gateway and test credentials. Then assign workspace roles, build an app for distribution, and implement row-level security so users see only permitted data. If something fails, check refresh logs first, validate credentials, and inspect query performance in query diagnostics. Make sure visuals use proper aggregates and reduce high cardinality columns. These steps usually resolve the common issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.